Good afternoon, members present. My name is Dr. Abdulkadir Omar. I come from Kenya, city known as Mombasa. I'm a general surgeon by profession. I studied my first degree in Ukraine, graduated in the year 2013 with MD. Then I furthered my master's degree, 4 years in general surgery in Tanzania, a neighboring country. Then I started working as a general surgeon. I've been working as a general surgeon for 3 years now. So we have a facility with 2 laparoscopic towers, but unfortunately, none of us could be doing laparoscopic surgeries. So I did some research through online, through colleagues, and then I found out SMASTI. I inquired about SMASTI. I read from online, I checked reviews, and then I found that that is a good center for excellency. And before me, one of my colleagues from Kenya also, she was here, gynecologist. So she gave good comment about the training. So I thought it's worthy for me also to come and join the training. So I came with just simple expectation. My expectation was just to learn simple basic laparoscopic skills. But to my surprise, I just discovered that I've learned more than what I expected. Because from the theory sessions with Dr. Chauhan, it has enlightened me a lot, to an extent that I feel like now I'm confident to do laparoscopic surgery. Although I've not yet even done it, but from the classes, the science behind laparoscopy, understanding everything about laparoscopy has really transformed my knowledge and confidence. So my sincere thanks to Dr. Chauhan. I really appreciate the theory classes that you've given us so far. They are really helpful, and they've really changed my mind and knowledge altogether. Not to forget our endo trainers. They are very helpful. They are very patient with us. Yes, we are general surgeons, but we are very poor in eye-hand coordination, depth perception. But however, they are very patient with us. They take us slowly, slowly, slowly. So I also like to thank them a lot, that they've really made an impact to us. And in theater, we've learned a lot. All the surgeons who have been working in theater, they are very helpful. The entire team in theater, they are very welcoming, ready to assist, ready to explain. So I feel welcome, and I feel comfortable whenever I walk into theater. So I'm also glad, and I thank each and everyone from SMASTI for the knowledge that I've acquired so far. Although I'll still be here for another more than 2 weeks, because I'm doing DMAS as well. So I'm looking forward to learn more and more. So with those few remarks, thank you all.